Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple fingerprints on your Windows laptop that you use to sign in. Now, in order to do it, simply hit Start menu, click on Settings right there. In the settings, click on your profile option on the top left corner. Now here, when you scroll down, you'll see this sign in options right there. Click over there, and here you'll see this option that says fingerprint recognition. Click over there and here hit on this option of add a fingerprint. Click over there and now hit get started. Now it will ask you to enter your lock screen passcode first. Now all you need to do is to just simply touch the sensor, fingerprint sensor. It will start scanning the fingerprint for you, and after some time you need to give the fingerprint multiple times, and here it says all set. I have added a fingerprint right there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.